Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Salts and Roses. My name is Ashley, and I am so excited to share this 5-minute, 5-day challenge to get flatter abs. All of the movements and exercises are going to be standing, so no getting down on the mat, and this workout is designed really well to get quick results for a flatter tummy. But you need to stick with the full 5 days, so be sure to know that you can commit to the 5 days for 5 minutes. All right, so before we get kicked off, you don't need any equipment for this workout. You just need a little bit of space, and that is it. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into our workout. All right, guys, let's hop into our workout. So we're gonna do each exercise for 1 minute, and we're starting with standing bicycle. Here we go. So you wanna bring your left knee to your right elbow, right knee, left elbow. Got it. Be sure to stand up nice and straight as you're in between, switching from knee to knee. Really constrict your abdominals in and up. Feel like somebody is just pulling your navel up to your forehead and push through. Bring that lifting leg up. Really twist through with your elbow. And know how strong and wonderful you are for starting this challenge and doing this workout today. I'm proud of you. 10 more seconds here, and then we'll switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So for this, I want you to bring your right leg back, come up and twist into a crunch. Right leg back, twist into a crunch. If you just need to do a step back, that's fine. So let's get started here. We'll switch halfway to the other side. Really twist. You'll feel this all through your obliques. So we're targeting all the muscles in your abdominals. Keep it up here, 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Switch to the other side, same thing. You know the drill. Back, twist. Back, twist. Take nice, deep breaths. This is an intense 5 minutes, so you wanna try to control your breath as we move through these. 5 more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next thing, you're gonna stand in the middle of your mat, bring your right leg back, and then up into a power crunch. Okay, right leg, power crunch. Right leg, power crunch. Halfway through, we'll switch to the other side. Really push through. Try to feel your abdominals as they are working to make you stronger. You're also working on your balance. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Other side. You got it. Same thing. Back, power crunch. Back, power crunch. Back. See if you can find a little appreciation for your body. Even if you don't like all the parts of it, it's strong. You're beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next thing here, you're gonna step out to your right. Your hands are extended above your head, and then lift, lower down to your toe. Lift back up, lower down. Okay. You got it. Come with me. You really want to reach and get a nice twist at the top, and as you slice down, keep it up. We are almost done with our workout. You can do it. Push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and switch to that other side here. Same thing. Hands up, extend. Twist, twist, twist. Engage your core, strengthen it. You're working on getting a flatter belly in just 5 days. You can do it. Push through. Nice deep breaths. Think about your goals and think about how you want to finish this workout strong. Give me 5 more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next thing is a toe touch. So you just want to bring your opposite hand to opposite toe, all right? 1 minute to go, you guys. Last thing, you can do it. Finish strong. Feel really proud of your workout. Feel really proud of yourself for completing something that you set your mind to do. All right? Nice breaths. It's okay if you can't touch your toes. I think I'm unusually flexible. So if you can only go to here, that's fine. You're getting the benefits of doing it and working your core. All right, 10 seconds to go. Finish this with me. Strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woohoo! Amazing. So I think we should do a quick stretch. It's very important as you're working out. So what I want you to do is just come to the center of your mat and you spread your legs nice and wide. And then put your hands behind your back. I'll turn this way. Put your hands behind your back. And then we're gonna lift and push into a slight back bend. This is starting to stretch out your core. You want to make sure to give yourself enough time to recover and stretch, not only for your body, but for your mind. Settle in here. Slow your breathing. All right, now I want you to hinge at your waist and come into a bend. All right, you can sway back and forth. Good job. So proud of you. All right, come back up. And now keep our legs spread apart. We're just going to go over to one side. And to the other. Great, stand up straight. So what I want you to do is put your left hand down, take this right arm out, and then we're just gonna do a side bend to really stretch out the obliques that we just worked so hard on. And switch to the other side. Great. Come up. Let's finish off with a couple of arm circles. Opposite direction. Be sure to drink enough water today. Try to eat healthy. Make slow progress though. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. My fitness journey has been that way. It didn't happen overnight. But small workouts like this got me to where I am today. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to come back for the full 5 days. And I can't wait to hear back from you to see how this workout is helping you. And I will see you on the next Salts and Roses.